Namaste, good evening. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Everyone, I want you to please switch on your camera. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this special session today. So, first of all, happy Children's Day. It does not matter whose birthday or what, but it is for children. So, let's, bring that child again from inside, the inner child. So, that's why I wanted to do something for you all. So this will be just a simple experience which I will take you through so that you can experience those joyful moments again. Okay. So how many of you are ready? How many of you are ready? Just give me a big thumbs up there. If you're not switching on your camera, then I will take you off from this session. Okay. Great, great, great. Thank you, every one of you. Happy to see everyone here. And actually, I've invited everyone. So let's see. I just want to see that more people are joining. That's why I was waiting. Okay, no worries. So let's begin. Let's begin with this simple thought that, what is the main emotion or the main state of a child? Can anyone unmute and answer? Or you can type it in the chats. What is the state of a child?
Innocence.
Absolutely right. Innocence, right? And what do you mean by innocence? What do you mean by innocence? Innocence kya hai? Smita ji is already having a child with her. So, hey, hi. Happy Children's Day. Okay. So, what do you mean by innocence? Everyone. I'm asking every one of you. Anything that comes to your mind. Being happy without any reason. Yes, absolutely right. Geeta ji. Okay. Anybody else?
Forgotten.
Forgotten. Forgiveness. Okay.
No. Not that. We have forgotten the innocence.
अच्छा, you have forgotten the meaning of innocence. तो अभी Google कर लीजिए क्या meaning है. Happy, peaceful. Yes, Madhumita ji, you can unmute and answer. No, you're on mute. I cannot hear you.
No worries. No worries.
No worries. कोई tension नहीं, कोई responsibility नहीं.
Purity.
Sorry, purity. Yes,
Yeah.
very good. That's a nice word, purity. But I'm asking you only the meaning of innocence. I'm asking you only the meaning of innocence. What is innocence? Yes, Smita ji.
Yes, doing innocence is doing something without any bad intention, and just whatever
Okay.
the people like doing, they can do.
Doing whatever you want to do. Right? See, like the child, उनको उसका मन था वो आकर बैठ गया, उसका मन नहीं है तो वो उठकर चला गया.
Unconditional happiness.
Yes, unconditional happiness. That there are condition तो होती है उसमें. Children, मतलब बच्चों को अपना खुशी तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, right? It's not that कि नहीं चाहिए. They are not sacrificing. Are kids sacrificing? Anyone?
No guilt.
Yes, Arun ji.
No guilt, not bothered about outcome.
No guilt, not bothered about the outcome. Yes. And my question again was, are kids sacrificing? Do they sacrifice?
No.
No.
No way.
No way. They will not sacrifice. उनको जो चाहिए वो चाहिए. They want it, right? They won't sacrifice for anyone. Okay. And once if they have decided anything, they will stick to it, right? They will stick to it. ये sacrifice, बलिदान या फिर everything are the adult things. How many of you agree? Everything, these things are all adult things because वो responsibility आ जाती है, all those responsibilities come in and then you feel that okay, instead of me, let me give it to others, let me adjust for others, and then you take on more burden and then your heart is taking that burden, right? As you are taking those emotional burden on you, your heart is also taking burden on yourself, right? Yes, Shankarji, you want to say something?
Yeah. I think maybe perhaps that they have a firm belief that my parents will take care of me.
Absolutely. That also is a very big point. They are like carefree. Why they are carefree? Because they know that my parents are going to take care of me. Okay. And as we grow up into adults, right, we lose that faith. Okay. We lose that faith. It's like now I should take care of myself here. There is nobody out there who is going to take care of me. Is it 100% true?
Forgetting there is a divinity which shapes our life.
Absolutely. But I'm asking, we think like that, right? How many of you think like that? We are having that responsibility that, you know, we only have to take care and there's nobody to help and all that. How many of you feel that? Just raise your hands.
ऐसा तो नहीं है.
ऐसा तो नहीं है. ऐसा तो नहीं है. I have my husband to take care. I have my parents to take care, right? Are we completely having that faith on them? 100%. कि भाई हम see children वो कैसे होता है ना, if you are you're taking a small baby और आप उसको ऐसे उछाल रहे हो, he's just laughing out there, he's just not caring कि I will fall down or anything. They are having 101% that their parents are going to take care of them. Whoever is with them, they are going to take care of them. Even if they are with their mausi ya fir chachi or whoever it is, right? They know ki they will be taken care of. It's not that only parents, dadi, dada,
Nanaji,
they are.
Nanaji.
Nanaji, yes. Right? How many of you are Nana here? Nana, Dada, right?
Nani,
They know.
Dadi.
Nani, Dani, yes, yes, Nina ji, welcome, welcome. So, yes, they are having that faith in almost everyone around them that, you know, they are going to be taken care of. Okay. That innocence is there. That innocence is there, right? And as we grow up, right, we are losing that innocence. We are like, see, it's not that बचपन में हमारे साथ कुछ यू नो गलत नहीं होता या फिर गलतियां नहीं होती. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. किड्स ऑल्सो डू मिस्टेक, राइट? दे ऑल्सो रिसीव डिसेप्शन, मतलब धोखा उनके साथ भी होता है. पेरेंट्स खुद करते हैं, राइट? स्वीट के नाम पे दवाई पिला देते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डन दैट? पेरेंट्स खुद अपने बच्चों के साथ धोखा करते हैं, राइट? we ourselves, because of their benefit only, we do something which is, we say them, you know, this is not right, and we put on something else and we tell them that, you know, you take it. Okay, so we do that, we do all those things. But do you think that kids are when they come to know about all those things, do you think they hold the grudges?
No.
No, right?
No, right.
They're not holding any grudges. They're not holding any of that hate. Are they holding that hate? कि मेरे मम्मी ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, मैं अब जिंदगी भर मम्मी से नहीं बात करूंगा. Okay. So, no, they are not doing that. They just allow. How many of you were there in that meditation where I used this concept of allowance? I think I did for my diamond members, I guess. I don't remember. Where I was asking you to just allow that feeling. Yes, I think we did that with the diamond members, right? So only allow that feeling, and you are that rock solid there in that river, and you're allowing that water to flow through you instead of, you know, you also getting flown away and, you know, blown away with each and everything. Kids are not like that. They don't hold on to that grudge, that hate, or, you know, that criticism. They are getting all those things. Are they not getting all those things? Just let me know. If anybody is having the different idea कि नहीं भाई kids के साथ अलग होता है, adults के साथ अलग होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They are also getting similar things, and we are also getting the similar things.
पर वो भूल जाते हैं, वो छोड़ देते हैं.
हाँ, वो उनका नेचर है, राइट? वो भूल जाते हैं. their perception, their way of, because they are innocent.
Yes, because they are innocent. Yes,
because they are innocent, right? And then this innocence is what? Innocence is what? मैं अपने मन का करूंगा, right? You can see this child, he's just अपने मन का करूंगा, आप लोग को जो करना है करो, right? मैं अपने मन का करूंगा, अगर अच्छा हुआ तो ठीक है, बुरा हुआ तो भी ठीक है.
Hmm.
Is it like that? Give me yes or no. You can type it in the chats if you are agreeing to me, not agreeing to me. Let me know, right? They are thinking, this has come into their mind. Okay. Now this kid is dancing here. स्मिता जी के आप वीडियो में देख सकते हो, ही इज डांसिंग हियर. मेरे मन में आया मैं डांस करूंगा, राइट? मैं मन में आया मैं यहाँ बैठूंगा, मेरे मन में आया मैं नहीं बैठूंगा, राइट? बट दे आर नॉट अटैचिंग देमसेल्व्स टू दैट कि इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा. रिजल्ट अगर अच्छा भी आया तो भी चलेगा, बुरा भी आया तो भी चलेगा. इफ इट्स गुड रिजल्ट, वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके फॉर मी. इफ इट्स बैड रिजल्ट, दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके फॉर मी. मे बी आई विल क्राई, किड्स विल क्राई. बहुत रोते हैं, बहुत ड्रामा करते हैं. दे क्राई अ लॉट, राइट? बट फॉर हाउ मच टाइम? For how much time? They come out of it like this. They see something else and they come out of it like this. Right? They also get the criticism. They also get deception. They also get expectations के beyond उनको कुछ और मिलता है. Their expectations are also getting broken. The promises are also getting broken with kids. Yes or no? Everyone, I want you to answer yes or no. Right?
Yes.
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 And why they are so
Yes.
happy and we are holding it here at the center of your chest, your heart, your anahata chakra. Why are we holding it here? किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, हम उसको यही रखते हैं. That dialogues, that person, that hate, that guilt is sitting here without giving any rent to you. Free space in your chest region, in your heart region, in your energy. Give me yes or no. If you are agreeing, give me A for
Yes.
agree in the chats. If you're disagreeing, give me D for disagree in the chats. Right?
Yes.
It's not that they are having a very, only thing missing is in the kids is they are not having responsibilities. And we feel as a human being, as an adult, we feel that, okay, my husband is my responsibility, my wife is my responsibility, my kids, my parents, my entire home is my responsibility. Okay, everything is your responsibility. And you feel that there is no support and there is no guidance. And I'm feeling that burden. That is the difference. Agree? Yes?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
We feel that there is absolutely no support for us. ये अंदर से subtle feeling है. It's not very evident on the outside. It is a subtle feeling from inside that, you know, आज ये करना है, आज वो करना है. That's always reminder कि, you know, I have so many things, I have so much responsibilities. And in that responsibilities and that thought process, every day that you're reminding yourself, we forget that when we ask for help, we receive help.
Yes.
We even stop asking for help. हमको लगता है कि ये मेरा ही काम है और मुझे ही करना है. We stop asking for help also at times. We stop asking for support also. We feel that asking for help means I will become small. अगर मैं
मैं तो
किसी
मांग लेती हूँ नया.
हाँ, that is very good. Okay, so now just understand, if you think that if by asking help I become small, or for example, let's say so many mothers are sitting here, right? You have so many responsibilities. Okay, घर का भी देखना है. If you are working somewhere, uska bhi dekhna hai, you should do that also. And then you should take care of your home also. And the home should be neat also. Everything should be organized, right? So many things are there. Okay. And in that, if you think, okay, somebody is helping you, not helping you, but if you are feeling that by asking help, something bad name will come to me that, you know, maybe she is not a perfect wife, maybe she is not a perfect mother, maybe she is not good in this.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मांग लेते हैं.
That identity, if you're holding on to it, then it will be very difficult. That's very good, Indu. If you're not having that, it's very good. Be open to asking help.
क्लियर अप, आपने ही तो बोला था क्लियर अप हो जाओ, क्लियर करो भाई, ये है ये नहीं।
Clear. That's very important. If you're asking for, if you're needing something, ask help. Don't take everything on yourself. Kids don't do that.
They are independent ना।
They don't do that. Okay. See, we have our own mindset that, okay, when those responsibilities are on me, I should be living up to it and I should be doing it perfectly. Perfectionism is also not good for your heart health. Please understand, everyone, if you want to make a note of it, write it down. Perfectionism is also not good for your heart health. We need that release कि भाई हाँ चलेगा, तेरा मेरा भी चलेगा, right? It's okay. Some people are like, okay, if I'm doing this pranayam, am I doing it perfectly correct? I get that questions from many of my students कि भाई इतनी सेकंड के लिए करना है, मेरा थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो रहा है या कम हो रहा है तो क्या हो जाएगा फिर? कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, right? It's okay. It's absolutely okay. If you're holding on to some perfectionism, that is also not good for your heart health, right? Whatever it is, people like to be perfect in organizing the things, or cooking food, or in your workplace, aapka project, your presentation, your Excel sheet, or whatever it is. If you're trying to be very super perfect there, you're taking that stress on yourself. Don't take that stress. Kids are like, are kids perfect?
No.
जैसे वैसे ही वो चलते बनेंगे, right? They don't think of perfectionism in any point of time. And that's why they are so happy.
बिल्कुल।
If you are looking for perfectionism, then that means you have lost that innocence completely. और वो innocence इतना चला गया है कि हमें उसका meaning भी नहीं पता अभी innocence क्या है. Right? So I want you to bring that innocence a little up today. Because when you bring that innocence up, you will do what your heart likes to do. And I'm definitely 100% sure all of you sitting here are not criminals कि आप अपने मन का आएंगे तो किसको भी murder कर देंगे जाके, ऐसे तो नहीं है. Right? Give me yes or no. Right? I know that, there are certain little things that you really want to do, and I want you to do that and bring that innocence up. Yes, Shankarji.
Then will it not lead to mediocre performance? Will we not become complacent with the?
If you're leaving perfectionism,
I'm not that. What you call, not to be an obsession for perfection, but if that attitude of perfection is not developed.
Okay, I'll ask you this one question. This entire creation, what God has created, this entire universe, planets, our own earth, we have not seen the other places, right? We have seen our own planet Earth, we have seen the creations here, we have seen the human beings who have been created, right? We have seen the nature, we have seen everything on this planet Earth now. Now you tell me, is there perfectionism in the creation? Give me yes
No.
or
No.
There are good people also created by God. There are bad people also created by God. Will you agree? Right? There is destruction also done by the divine energy. There is creation also done by the divine energy. Right? There is no perfectionism. If you think earth ko jab draw karte hain, we draw it as a nice circle. Do you think earth is like a circle?
No, ellipse.
It's not like that. It's just in our mind, human mind, कि हमको सब perfect चाहिए तो हम उसको एक shape बना देते हैं. That's it. Do you think it is like that? No, it's not like that. When God itself has not done anything perfectly, do you think can he improve things? Can we improve things on the earth? Is there scope of improvement for God also? Do you think yes?
No,
Of course, yes, right? He would have given us more powers. Maybe he would have created only good people, not bad people. There's so much more scope to it, right?
So from illiterate to Einstein, that's all also.
Yes, definitely, Shankarji. But I'm telling you, if we are holding on to that perfectionism, then you are holding on to stress because
Yes.
you will not be satisfied any point of time. Can anything be so perfect that there is no next level to it?
Continuous.
iPhone 16 comes, then iPhone 17 comes.
And
Why?
level of perfection is different from person to person.
Yes, that is also there. But आप अगर उसको hold करेंगे, my point is if you are holding, then it's very difficult. You will be always under stress. Your mind will be not at all satisfied. And if you're
Yes.
not satisfied, a human being, if the person is not feeling satisfied, he will go into some other emotional escapes, like, emotional eating, emotional habits, if you're not satisfied, right? So do not hold on to that perfectionism. Okay. My mentor says, always he says, your version 1 is better than none. For example, I want to write a book. That's one of my goals. Okay. For one book, if I take 10 years, is it worth it? Or उसको perfect करने में, edit करते, I'm taking 10 years. Is it worth that much time?
No.
Or if I
No.
can write 10 books every year, is that better?
Of
Can
course,
I
that is
start?
better.
My first book may not be perfect. Second book may also be a little better. Third may be okay, little more better, right? But because I'm thinking of perfectionism, I don't even start and I don't even publish. Then what? I'm just waiting. Even if I've done that mediocre work there, at least I've learned something, right? At least I know what is the next step there. So let's not hold on to perfectionism. Okay. So with that, let's do something what kids do. They just have what? Everyone, I want you to unmute and answer. What kids do, what they want. They just have what?
Happiness.
Happiness or
Happiness.
Innocence.
yes,
Independence. Independence.
independence. Okay, what else? They like to have dash.
Happiness.
They like to
Freedom.
have
Freedom.
freedom.
Attention.
Attention.
What else? Fun. Yes,
Fun.
somebody told fun. Sunita. They like to have fun every single point of time. उनको bore नहीं
Enjoy.
होना है, right?
Enjoy.
They want to enjoy. They simply want to enjoy, right? So we are going to do the same thing. I'm playing some stupid song. I'm telling you before only, I'm going to play some very stupid song and I want every one of you to dance stupidly on that song.
Stupidly.
Stupidly,
We are
okay?
doing that.
Okay, so let's not judge anybody here. Let's not just think ki anybody is watching me or something like that. It's absolutely okay. I want every one of you to stand up. Every one of you to please stand up. Switch on your camera. Come on. I want every one of you to please come on camera.
जैसे मेरा बेटा कहता है मम्मा चिल मारो चिल.
Chill करेंगे अभी, okay? All right. So everyone, I want you to stand up. Okay? Muting you all here. And I'm going to play some stupid song. And I want you to move your body, dance to this song. Okay? Just give me a second. Just hold on. Stand up, stand up, stand up. No sitting. Okay, Kunti ji, आप बैठ सकते हो. No worries. Okay. All right. So here is the music. Even if you don't understand, come on, everyone, stand up, stand up.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। मसल फुलाना, थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, तेरे चिकन गालों पे स्टबल की फसल उगाना, अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु, बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना, किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुंघाना, चल ऊपर के दो बटन ढीले करके बताना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, बरसों तक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है, हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख, स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
All right. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How are you feeling after moving to this music?
Energetic.
Everyone?
Energetic.
Yes. All right. Very good, very good. Now I want you to do a second thing, the next step. Everyone, I want you to take your book and pen. Everyone out there, I want you to take a book and pen. And what are you going to write? Okay. So open a blank page. And I want you to write 5 things from your childhood which you felt like, they were the best moments for you. 5 moments from your childhood, right? You can go up till your teenage also. That's also okay. Okay. And write 5 things that were best moments in your life. So you can start the sentence saying, this was the best moment of my life when I did that dash, or when I experienced dash, whatever it is, right? So 5 things, and I want you to start writing. Write. Everyone, I want you to start writing. What are the 5 moments? Muting you all here. Everyone, and let me play that song again in the background.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक, हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। चल मसल फुलाना, थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, तेरे चिकन गालों पे स्टबल की फसल उगाना, अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु, बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना।
You may forget what did you eat yesterday, but you will not forget your childhood. Okay.
बरसों तक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है, हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख, भीड़ में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक.
Giving you one more minute. Please complete. You can describe it as much as possible. This is only for your eyes to feel better that you know that was your childhood. Okay.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक. हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा.
Neha, you've chosen a perfect song today.
Yes, Sunita.
Chosen a very nice song today.
Yes.
It's going so well with the theme.
Absolutely. Mistake karo, it's okay.
True.
All right. I guess everyone is done with your list. Give me a big thumbs up with a big smile. Show me all your teeth. Yes. Okay, very good. Wonderful. So I know somebody's list may be longer, somebody's list can be shorter, but it's okay. Childhood hai, so it's absolutely okay, right? Now let's move to the next step. Everyone, I want you to do this short guided meditation with me, where I will take you through a journey in your childhood, and I will try to bring that innocence back in you. Okay, so whatever I'm guiding you in the background, I want you to stay with me, right? Everyone ready? I want you to just simply listen to this healing music that I'm going to play. If you want, you can put on your earphones or headphones, take a sip of water. If you want, sit on a pillow so that you are comfortable. Keep your spine straight and both your hands, palms facing downwards, and both your hands on your legs. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा पानी पी लीजिए. Get ready, and once you are ready, type R for ready in the chats. Yes, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to play some music for you. Just let me know if the music is clear and my voice is clear. Both clear? Yes, perfect. Okay. So I want you to sit in a comfortable position. Tell your family members not to disturb you for at least 10 minutes. It's a very short but 10 minutes experience. You can call it as an experience, as a guided meditation. Okay. So relax yourself. You can sit on the floor, on the chair, anywhere, absolutely okay. No perfectionism in this. Okay. आराम से बैठिए. Both your hands facing down, palms down on your legs. Spine straight. Close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Relax. Completely relax. Release the tension from your body, from all your muscles. Take a deep breath. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth like you're blowing a birthday candle. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Relax. Completely relax. Slowly bring your awareness to the center of your chest. As you inhale, expand the energy at the center of your chest. And as you exhale, relax. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. Completely relax. And now, I want you to go into your memory and bring one moment from your life when you laughed crazily. You were laughing so hard that your stomach was hurting, your cheeks were hurting. What was that incident or event? What was that funny moment? Can you bring that in your mind? What happened then? Along with you, who all were laughing? Can you listen to your own laugh? Can you listen to your other people laughing out there? Were you moving up and bending down and going up again and again, laughing so hard that your cheeks were hurting, your stomach was hurting? What was that? When you're having a smile on your face, I know you are there. You're living it again. And now, I want you to go back into your teenage. And think about any mistake you might have done, which you feel it was a mistake. What was that? If there was nothing, it's okay. Just think about your teenage life. Go back a few more years in your life. Probably you were 11, 10 or 9 years old. What was your favorite pastime? What did you do when you had time to spend? Was it any game? Was it collecting some things? Maybe you had a pet animal. What was that favorite thing which you could do for hours and you never felt tired? Was it cycling? What was it? See yourself doing it again. Can you feel that satisfaction or happiness when you're doing it? When you're playing it? You never bothered of any other's opinions on whatever you wanted to do. And now, from your memory, bring one more thing into your mind. What was your favorite place? Maybe your nani's house or your dadi's house, your grandparents' house, maybe your neighbor's place or your school or the backyard. Any open space near your home? What was your favorite place? Can you walk in that place once again? And I'm sure it was nothing fancy. It was just your heart living fully there. Without any restrictions. And now I want you to go back a little more in your life when you were probably 1 year or 2 years old. How much love you might have received. Can you imagine? People holding you, your parents holding you, your family members holding you, playing with you, making you laugh. Taking care when you got fever, when you got cold or cough. You were so precious for them. You were getting all the attention. Can you sense that importance? Whatever you wanted, you just asked and you got it. Maybe you moved around with some food on your face, but you never bothered. and you felt so safe. I'm going to play a music which is little different. Probably you laughed like that when you were 1 year or 2 years old. I want you to have your eyes closed and listen to this. I'm sure you laughed absolutely like that and you were very cute. With that smile on your face, go back a little more in your past, when you were in your mother's womb. I know we don't have any memory of that, but can you imagine the care you got, the love you got? You were world to someone. Now gently go back to a time where you were not even in your mother's womb, you were only energy. Pure consciousness. Limitless, fearless. Can you sense that? You were part of that creator, the powerful one. Absolutely nothing can destroy you as energy. But fast forward today, a small hurtful line from somebody brings you down. Is it worth it? Let your consciousness answer. A small problem shakes you up. Is it worth it? Are you not capable of more? Don't you deserve more? Can you not have fun today? Can you not play those similar games today? Can you not pursue your hobby today? I want you to bring both your parents' face in your mind, even though they are alive or not. Bring their face in your mind. Look at them. They are looking at you. Will they be happy in your happiness? Of course, yes, right? Will they be sad in your sadness? Of course. What is that you want to give them? With that, I'm going to play one more song. I want you to listen to it, keeping your eyes closed, and just absorb that song. Probably you'll understand even if you don't know this language.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
It's okay if you have tears, you can cry, okay?
खुद पापा ने सिखाया, 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पढ़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा पूरा बचपन जला डाला। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
Now dance with this song, everyone. Just move.
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na.
All right. You can bring both your hands together into Namaste. Keep your eyes closed only. And be truly grateful. Truly, truly grateful to whatever you have received. And be grateful that you're walking a path to upgrade yourself. Thank your parents, thank your friends, your teachers, everyone out there who is in your story of life. Everyone is contributing. Be truly, truly grateful. With a smile on your face, rub your palms, generate heat, and place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy and gently bring your hands in front of your face. Open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. All right, so yes, that was something I wanted you to experience. How are you feeling? Just raise your hands if anyone wants to say something. How many of you cried? In fact, I cried. Anyone wants to say anything? No. Yes, Rupaji,
I enjoy a lot.
you enjoyed a lot. Very good, very good. Thank you so much. Yes, Indu.
मेरे मतलब लाइफ में बचपन की टीनेज का एक इंसिडेंट था जो मैं भूल चुकी थी। आज मुझे वो याद आ गया कि मैं
Okay.
फॉर 1 मिनट कैन आई से समथिंग।
Yes, please share.
मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी कि हम दोनों का प्रॉमिस था कि हमने डेली मिलना है। शॉर्ट में बताती हूँ, डेली मिलना है। तो हमने कहा अगर रूटीन में नहीं भी मिल पाए बट संडे को जरूर मिलेंगे।
संडे को
लेकिन
जरूर
संडे को बहुत तेज बारिश थी और उसने
हम्म।
सोचा वो नहीं आ पाएगी, मैंने सोचा मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगी। हमारे घर में छाता भी नहीं था, बच्चों वाले छाते होते हैं वो था। वो लेकर मैं जा रही हूँ तो फिर इमीडिएट मुझे ध्यान आया, मैं कहा मैं भीग जाऊंगी। साथ में बुजुर्ग अंकल रहते थे, दादाजी बोलते थे उनको बोला, मैंने कहा वो मोची वाला छाता हो जिसमें डंडी लगी होती है, तो उनके पास वो था। मैंने कहा ये मुझे दे दो 10 मिनट के लिए, मुझे बहुत जरूरी जाना है। तो उसका वो
Right.
बोल दिया कि नहीं तेरे दादाजी ने बाथरूम जाना होगा। मैं कह रही नहीं मैं अभी आई। तो छाता लेके बारिश में वो उधर से आ रही है, मैं इधर से जा रही हूँ। तो हम
Wow.
वहां स्पॉट पे मिले और इतना हंस रहे हैं, इतना ये हो क्या रहा है, कोई बात नहीं कुछ नहीं। देखो तो ये
Wow, so nice.
धारा के डांट भी पिटी है।
बट हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना, we do all those things. We don't care कि हमें कोई डांट रहा है या क्या कर रहा है, right? Thank you.
अब याद आया बड़े सालों के बाद।
Thank you for sharing that.
थैंक यू।
Javed ji saying needed you 25 years back. Javed ji, where are you? Okay. Yes, myself cried, remembered my parents. It's okay, Kanan ji, crying is sometimes, releasing. It's okay. Don't judge crying कि मुझे आंसू आ गए या ऐसे कुछ. It's absolutely fine. Okay. All right. Anybody else want to say anything? No. Madhumita ji, yes, please unmute.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Neha ji, I
Yes.
really had what to say, type of spiritual feeling when the song you played, no? Give me some sunshine, give me a
Yes.
chance. I want to
Yes.
leave once again, I want to go. In fact, I started singing, although you didn't tell me, and something I felt very emotional, and I
Okay.
felt I should live for myself. Why take unnecessary stress and spoil my precious life?
Absolutely. We have very limited time. So start your hobbies, start whatever you feel like doing. Okay. Yes.
Yes, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhumita ji. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Yes, others missed my father. Super. Okay. Thank God I didn't miss it. Okay. Good, Geeta ji, that you are here. Yes. I want others also to say something. Shankar ji, you want to say anything?
Thank you. Otherwise, but for today's session, I think the lovely moments could not have been recollected, and you made us reminisce all the wonderful events, wonderful their
Yes.
the love and the affection that all the aunt, my father and his brothers, all people have showered on us.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have received so much love.
much.
We have forgotten.
So much.
Right. We have forgotten that, we
never happened.
received so much.
Thank you, Neha ji. I think you today's
No, it's
session has
absolutely. Thank you, Shankarji, for sharing and doing and participating in this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anybody else? Yes, Bharti ji.
This is what I desperately needed today.
Everybody.
I was so much down, with all the stress from office and all that. That whole last week went like this, and horrible I was feeling today. I even confessed to my daughter and everything. She actually handles me very well. But then that also, despite everything, it was still lingering, that whole botheration in my. We relieved it.
Good that you're feeling lighter. That's nice. Thank you, Bharti ji, for sharing that. Thank you so much. Yes,
One more thing.
Yes.
Like I somewhat agree with what Shankarji said at the beginning about perfection. Okay, yeah, you tend to become complacent otherwise, not trying to find any mistakes in what you said. But yes, if it comes naturally to you, perfection is good thing. But if we are stressing over it, then that becomes
Yes, that is also there.
what I took from that discussion.
Absolutely. Yes, someone has written seriously, I
Perfection
want to
के
leave. Yes, Neena ji.
परफेक्शन के साथ ये होता है कि जब हम बहुत परफेक्ट होते हैं ना, हम घर में सबसे ये चाहते हैं कि everyone should do like that. और उससे बहुत
Our
tension create
expectations
होता है.
increase.
Yes.
Ego is
Yes.
high. If we are wanting perfection, our ego is very high.
Yeah. And we expect ki, if my level is here, everybody's level also should match. And then the conflict again starts. That's a very nice, thanks for sharing that. Very nice point there. And before you start leaving, I'm seeing everyone is leaving now. Ki bhai ho gaya abhi to. I want a picture, everyone. I want every one of you to please come on camera. Vandana, Shankarji, Achaya, Renu, Geeta ji, come on, please bring your hearts up, everyone out there. Please bring your hearts up. Yes, give me a big smile. Yes, thank you so much. I'm going to share this on our app, Happy Hearts Hub. I want every one of you to comment and inspire others so that they can also join such sessions. Okay, right? Anybody else before we leave? Do you want to say anything? No. Only hearts. I can see only hearts up here.
Love you, Neha, from the core of my heart.
Love you too, Neena ji. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Yes,
Bharti ji. Yes, Shankar ji.
See, when I reflected, I get one thing that all our in current education and current even the spiritual masters and all these things, made us cunning, manipulative, and we need to develop that innocence that every child carries.
Absolutely.
This is lacking in the present day. The trust is lost.
Yeah.
Yes.
Humanity is lost in all the process.
It should happen collectively.
No, I'm not blaming any single person.
On Shankarji's point,
Our
I
education
would,
system also.
Yeah.
It has not inculcated the humanity, humanness.
We are losing that trust factor very easily.
So,
Nowadays, people don't believe even their own family members. Forget about others out there. खुद के फैमिली पे ही भरोसा नहीं, एक दूसरे का फोन चेक करेंगे कि क्या है इसमें, क्या चल रहा है.
I think that's the problem. In fact, in whole my life, I have always started with a trust. I trusted almost not almost 100% of people, always. I've seen some people try to cheat. So I kept them aside and I found them after some time they came back and gained that trust again. I have not found any person in my life who has cheated me at all. And in fact, in my house also, we share each other's password and all. There is no problem. Check the phone, check the emails. Anybody can access anything. I think that's a very important point which Shankarji said.
Yes,
People should start
absolutely.
trusting. Actually, the problem is again same thing. What one madam said, ki you are perfect, so you want perfection from everybody. So the problem is we don't trust anybody, so nobody trusts us. It's all
It's a law of
reciprocal.
reflection.
Yeah, it's always reciprocal. And
Yes, yes,
start trusting
absolutely.
people, and people will stop cheating you.
True, 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 true. And that is also there, Arunji, that when we trust people and they break our trust, we create those boundaries so harsh that at a certain point of time we start losing trust on ourselves also. That
No,
मैं
we
ये
should
कर
not create
पाऊंगा ये
boundary.
नहीं कर
We should
पाऊंगा.
ignore for some time, and I think people will find you that you are more useful to them, and they will come back.
True, true, true. Absolutely, absolutely agree with you. Yes. Yes, Shankarji, you want to add?
Regarding the trust and all, no, I
Hmm.
remember the famous quote of one of our former Prime Minister, Mr.
Mhm.
Chandrasekhar.
Okay.
He said he was when given a raw deal that both the people have they manipulated and they made the VP Singh the Prime Minister. Devilal and
Yes.
if VP Singh is contesting, I will also contest. That's what Chandrasekhar said. But somehow, no, he said, let us all subdue and we will propose Devilal. But what happened is Devilal colluded with VP Singh and he made
VP Singh.
What has happened is he said a famous quote. Arunji, you remember when you take it?
Yeah, but I also remember what Gandhiji did to Mr. Patel.
To get
And
cheated.
everybody voted for Mr. Patel and Mr. Gandhiji vetoed it.
Yeah,
and
no,
put
this
Mr.
is something.
Nehru as PM.
No, the more
That
important
was
is the
also mistrust in their own committee.
Yeah, absolutely. Trust was not there.
the quote is that to get cheated is not crime, but to cheat is a crime.
Absolutely.
That's
To get
right.
cheated,
I
to
agree.
get
I fully
taken for
agree with
right
that.
is not a crime, but
Right.
to cheat is a crime.
That's right.
Absolutely.
I agree.
And when this point is coming for the trust thing here, the AI thing is booming like anything. Okay, अभी आपका फोटो लेकर कोई भी वीडियो बना सकता है, आपकी वॉइस भी उसमें मैनिपुलेट कर सकता है. Everything can be done. Okay. Now, if you're not having the trust in your own family members, anybody can do a video call or a phone call. आपको आ जाएगा and they can take away many things from you. So now is the right time that you start trusting your own family members. Develop some things there where you have that bond and that trust in each other. That is more important. That's how today we need to hold each other more than holding that grudges and criticism and all that. No, instead of that, hold that bond. Because AI is going crazy and our generations to come, they might suffer with these kind of frauds or these kind of deceptions that is going to come up. We don't even know what is the next it is going to do. It is so real that you cannot make out कि AI video है या किसी ने बनाया है. You cannot make out. It's becoming so realistic nowadays. Right? So now is the right time that we don't leave each other and we make our bonds even more stronger, especially in the families. It's very important now.
First thing is to call them and verify.
Yes.
In fact, I can tell you recently it happened. Our class fellows, a group is there. The person US. And I got a message from other number saying, hi, can we talk? And I just, same photograph, everything, same. And I just noticed the phone number looks different. So I verified from other number is told. And it was different. And I asked the person, the friend only directly, is number? He said, no, I have only one number. And I notified all my class fellows. I think 5-6 of them got similar things.
Similar things.
I am asking money.
Probably ended in a fraud, right?
Yeah.
So
it's quite common.
Yes, it's becoming very common and people are getting victim of it very easily. Very easily. Somebody who is having emotional balance or somebody who is very calm, that person only can think to verify or to ask. या तो फिर हम वो emotions में बहकर या फिर if we are not emotionally stable, right, we are going to go into that flow, and we are going to get deception there. You know, we are going to receive that. So it's very important that we keep ourselves calm also. It's very important. And that video arrest and all those things also happen where
So
yes.
that
educated people,
नेहा
all
yeah,
educated people only got
नेहा मेरे बेटे
looted.
को मेरी बहू को
हाँ,
फोन आया मेरे बेटे के नंबर से और कि मैंने हमने आपके हस्बैंड को अरेस्ट कर लिया है और उनको हम डिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया. वी आर डिपोर्टिंग हिम फ्रॉम सम चीटिंग केस और समथिंग. मेरी
My
डॉटर इन लोग बहुत घबरा गई. $2 लाख मांगे उन लोगों ने कि आप फटाफट इस अकाउंट में जमा कराओ तो उनको रिलीज करेंगे. उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. माई ग्रैंडसन वाज स्मॉल, तो उसको फटाफट छोड़ के वो फटाफट बैंक भागी कि ये हैरी के फोन से फोन आ रहा है, ये किसने उनको अरेस्ट कर रखा है.
my goodness,
बाई चांस
great.
मेरे बेटे की आदत थी कि वो रोज 2-3 बार ऑफिस से फोन करता था कि इज एवरीथिंग ओके. तो बैंक पहुंची और मेरे बेटे का फोन गया कि गिन्नी सब कुछ ठीक है. कहती कैसे ठीक है, आपके फोन से तो मुझे ऐसे फोन आ रहा है. कहते सीधी पुलिस स्टेशन जा, FIR लिखा, दिस इज फ्रॉड. वो
My
बैंक
goodness.
पहुंच गई थी. अगर मेरे बेटे का फोन नहीं जाता, और कैन यू बिलीव वो जो फोन करने वाले थे वो गुजरात में जूनागढ़ से कहीं से थे.
Oh, it's happening actually, you know. So it's
Very common. We have
yeah,
to be
the
careful.
essence of this discussion is that we need to start trusting each other, our family members, and increase our bond
Yeah.
even more. You know, have some mechanism, have something which is only to your family, and that you increase your bonds in your family. That's very important, first thing. And trusting each other also brings in a little more innocence ki हाँ भाई, that is there, right?
Yes,
So
true, Neha.
innocence को भी छोड़ना नहीं है. Have that innocence. I know the world is going crazy, but have that innocence, because if you're not having that innocence, the guilt settles in, and this is not good for your heart. Okay? आप कितनी भी दवाई खा लो, कितना भी अच्छा खाना खा लो, if you're holding certain things in your chest, in your heart region, that emotions, right, it is not going to help. So have that little bit of innocence and start attending my sessions live, okay? Then it will be very beneficial for every one of you. All right. Chalo, thank you so much. I know I asked you 1 hour. I have extended it to 1 hour, 15 minutes. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm going to post this on the app. I want every one of you to please post one word at least. Okay? मुझे 10-15 कमेंट देखने हैं. यहाँ पे कितने 50 लोग थे, तो एटलीस्ट 10-15 कमेंट्स आई वांट यू टू पोस्ट देयर सो दैट यू इंस्पायर अदर्स ऑल्सो, राइट? एनीबडी एल्स बिफोर वी लीव? सुनीता, जावेद जी, धारा, गीता जी, nobody has spoken. Renu ji,
I
just
just
smiling out
joined
there.
now,
You just
I
joined now.
just-
You missed it, Dhara.
but I did not like. अभी मैं उठी और मेरा सब schedule अभी
Acha,
2 दिन
you
के
are
बाद
not
होगा.
in India, right? Okay, that's absolutely
No.
fine. It's okay.
Neha ji,
Post the recording. I will post the recording and I will tell you in the WhatsApp group, you know, where it will be. You can definitely see it. ठीक है?
What heading it is?
Neha ji,
Just-
I have not heard the voice of Mr. Javid Bhai and Mr. Sagu ji.
Javed ji speaks, but he is not speaking now. He's like, I don't know why. Javed ji, कुछ बताइए. I think his network is not good.
At least say
What was
namaste
the
so that
topic, Neha?
Right.
It
Neha?
was very emotional.
Yeah. It was very emotional,
Neha?
Javed ji.
It was very.
That's okay.
Actually, I cried.
Neha, I want to say something.
You cried. Okay. No worries, जावेद जी, आपका नेटवर्क अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताना, ठीक है?
make him speak at least, you know, both Mr. Sagu and all. No, they don't take much.
Yeah.
Renu ji was
Those who are not speaking at all, no, make them
I
speak.
think Renu ji was saying something. Yes, Renu ji.
Yeah. In fact, unfortunately, I missed quite a lot of it today.
Oh, okay.
Because it just slipped off my mind. But whatever part I attended, it was wonderful. I really went to my childhood, and it was, and that goes without saying that your each program is worth attending. It's really, it always gives us something. So
Thank
many
you.
intelligent and intellectual people are talking. I think there's no need for us to
No,
talk.
it's not
Uh,
like that.
yeah. No,
No, Renuji,
Shankarji
we are
was,
here to learn from each other. See, I may be, like your daughter, and I'm also
yes,
learning. So I would definitely want to hear, and that's why I ask everybody. वो बातों बातों में ही हमको बहुत सारी चीजें मिल जाती है. Do you agree, everyone?
yes,
Yes. Will we
yes.
converse a
And
little,
there is, yeah,
and we get so
yeah.
much,
There's,
so many
yes,
golden nuggets.
yeah.
Our queries are called in.
Besides listening to you, we get to know such beautiful things from rest of the people also. So that's a sharing platform. So thank you
Yeah.
everyone for sharing their opinions. So I was actually enjoying the opinions of each and every, like Shankar ji ne jo wo diya, बड़ा अच्छा बोला उन्होंने. That was
Yes.
really a good quote, which I will write in my notebook. That's really good.
Wonderful,
Thank
wonderful.
you so
See,
much.
that's why I
Thank
believe
you
in a
so
Shankar ji, share
community.
it in the group. Shankar ji, share it in the group. I missed it.
Yes, yes, yes. And that's why, I
Yeah.
believe in this community model, right? I don't want you to just stay with me only for 3 months or 6 months. Let's move it for a lifetime and see how it goes, right? So,
Yes,
because
yes,
that human to human touch is going to go away very soon. That's it's
yes.
only we can just safeguard and do certain things that we can safeguard it. Otherwise, it's going to all fade away. It's going to fade away. So see, our childhood was like, we used to wait ki, I will tell you, in my childhood, we used to wait ki इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कब जाएगी और सब लोग बाहर आएंगे और हम लोग सब फिर से खेलेंगे. We
Oh
used to
my God.
wait for that.
Neha, I wrote
Yeah.
the same wordings while I wrote the, incidents.
The
I
best
wrote the
moment.
same thing, the best moment.
Wow, so
That was
nice,
the, yeah, we used to come out of our house as soon as the power goes
Power goes off.
We were
It
all
was
out and we
all
were
dark.
enjoying. And power आती थी तो हम परेशान हो जाते थे
अरे
कि
क्यों
अब
आ
वापस
गई है
जाएंगे, क्यों आ
वापस?
गई?
Yeah,
I wrote the
Actually,
same thing.
yeah, actually, each and every one of us, we resonate some or the other where. एक दूसरे की
yes,
सबकी बातें वही हैं.
yes,
So that is what I think will bring us closer.
yes.
So
So let's
some or the
not
other way we all.
let not that human touch fade away. So let's stay connected, right? So come back again and
Sure.
again and share your experiences. All right. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much. Sunita, you want to say something before we leave? Closing from your side. You're on mute.
Can you please?
No? Yes.
It was a very good experience today, Neha, and so I'm actually very grateful to be a part of this community.
Thank
And
you.
what everybody is saying here, it's like a very good experience being here, listening to everybody, and it gives such a feeling of you are with so many people around you. So that's a very good feeling actually, and much required also in today's world.
Yes, absolutely right.
Much required.
Loneliness is becoming a disease again now. It's like it's
Right.
again rising so much.
Mhm. And
Anyway,
I really
so
wish we could all meet, physically sometime.
yes,
It would be real
definitely,
fun. Yeah.
definitely, Sunita. I'm planning something for 2026. Let's see how it goes, and we'll definitely meet offline. Okay.
Two things
Sure,
I want.
sure.
Two things I want to add.
Yes, Shankarji.
One is we are relearning something.
Relearning. Okay.
Relearning something. One. Second, see, I want that Dandiya does. I think Nara Mehtaji only this one. Okay.
Yeah.
That one more time it has to be. We
Yeah.
cannot wait after the Navratri.
Definitely, we'll do that in one of our sessions. We'll put some Dandiya song and we are going to ask Dhara to help us dance. You're on mute if you're talking, Dhara.
Unmute. Please.
We want some offline event where we all meet.
Yeah, we
Next
will
year.
do that. We will do that. Definitely. You all will definitely plan for 2026. Okay. All right, chalo. Thank you so much, and have that innocence with you. Take it little more. Bring that up. उसको जबरदस्ती लाना पड़ेगा innocence को. It will not come otherwise. Okay. So bring that up and live peacefully. I will see you in the next session, live session. Okay. Be there. Chalo. Take care. Bye bye. Shubh Ratri. Hare Krishna. Bye. Thank you.